Welcome all. In the last section, we had covered course agenda, introduction to performance testing, jMeter introduction, and its architecture. Today, we will start with section 2, installation and overview. In this section, we are going to take a look at topic 1, jMeter installation and configuration, topic 2, jMeter tool workbench overview, topic 3, test plan creation, topic 4, elements of test plan, and topic 5, sample application overview. Let us start with video 1.1, jMeter installation and configuration. jMeter can be easily installed on your computer irrespective of the operating systems that are running, since it is a platform independent tool. jMeter runs pretty much the same way across Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. In this video, we will cover the jMeter installation procedure on Windows platform. The prerequisite for installing jMeter is to have Java installed on your machine, since jMeter is a pure Java-based tool. It is always recommended to have the latest version of JDK installed on your machine to avoid any unforeseen issues while using jMeter. So first, we will see how to install Java on a machine. I am sure most of you are familiar with this process. Still, I will just walk you through the cycle. The latest version of Java is 1.8, and now we will search for this on Google. I have opened Firefox browser, and in the search box, I will search for Java download. The first link which has come up is the java.com website. I click on the link and the Java website has opened. As you can see, this is version 8 update 121 which can be downloaded. Now I will click on this button, free Java download. A page has come where there is a button called agree and start free download. Once I click on this button, a file will get downloaded on my machine, which is an exe file to install the Java software on my machine. I click on Save File button. You can see the file has been downloaded to my machine. Now once I double click on this file, the Java installation process will start on my machine. I am sure most of you are familiar with installing a software on a Windows machine, so I will skip the Java installation part for now. Java is installed in my machine, so I will go to the Java installation directory, which is inside program files, and there is a folder called Java. Now there is a folder called JDK inside Java, and there is a folder called bin inside JDK. When I open the bin folder, this is my Java installation directory. Once you have installed Java successfully on your machine, you should be able to see these files inside the bin folder in JDK directory. Whenever you refer to the Java installation directory, it means the bin directory inside the Java folder. As you can see, there are different Java files associated with the Java setup on my machine. Now, the next step in jMeter installation is to set up the environment variable. For that, first you will have to copy the Java installation directory path, which means the absolute path of the bin directory. So now I copy this bin directory path and I will paste it into a notepad. So I have pasted the bin directory path in a notepad file. Now I go to Start. I will open the Environment Variables option box. For that, go to Start, click on My Computer, click on Properties, click on Advanced Settings, click on Environment Variables, and now here there is a variable called Path. So you will have to add the bin directory path into this variable. For that, I will click on Edit and go to End. Now I will copy the bin directory path from the text file and paste it here. Now I will click on OK. I will click on OK. Again OK. Now you have successfully set the environment variable path in your machine. Now the next step is to verify the Java installation path on your machine. For that, you will have to open the command prompt and enter a command called java-version. When I click on enter, you can see the Java software version installed in my machine as 1.8.0, which means Java has been successfully installed in my machine. Now, the next step is to download the jMeter installation software from the internet. I will again open the browser. I will go to the Google page and search for jMeter setup. Since we are concerned about jMeter 3.0, I will download the 3.0 setup. As you can see, you will have to go to the Apache website. I click on the Apache jMeter hyperlink. Website has opened and you can see Apache jMeter 3.1, which is there in the website itself. But since we are concerned with the 3.0 setup, I go to Apache jMeter archives hyperlink. I click on this link. A page opens. You will have to get the binary files set up. So I click on the binaries hyperlink. So there are a lot of Apache jMeter setup available in this archive. So all the versions are available here. But since we are concerned with the 3.0 setup, I scroll down to find the 3.0 zip file setup which is supported for Windows platform. Now you can see here Apache jMeter 3.0.zip. This is the file which I am concerned with, which will help me in downloading the setup for Windows platform. Now I will click on this link and once I click, it will help me in saving this file into my machine. The file name is Apache jMeter 3.0.zip. When I click on OK, the file gets downloaded to my machine. So this is the zip file which consists of the software installation of jMeter. Now I go to the bin directory of jMeter. Now this is the file which we have downloaded from the internet. Once you unzip this file, a folder called Apache jMeter 3.0 gets created in your machine. Once you have unzipped this file, this is the installation process for jMeter. Once the folder is extracted, all the files can be seen, which means jMeter has been successfully installed in your machine. There is no other software installation process for jMeter. It is a simple copy-paste for the jMeter setup in your machine. Now, again I go to the bin directory inside the jMeter setup. Whenever you refer to the installation directory of jMeter, it means the bin directory of Apache jMeter. Inside this, you can see there are many files which are related to the jMeter setup. There are some property files, there are some batch files, there are some shell scripts. Similarly, if you go to the lib directory outside bin, you can see many jar files which are related to the jMeter setup downloaded just now. Now I go to the bin directory to open jMeter application. As you can see, there is a batch file called jmeter.bat which can be used for launching jMeter on Windows platform. Similarly, for launching jMeter on a Linux platform, a shell script called jmeter.sh can be used. Now, since we are working on a Windows platform, to launch jMeter, you have to find a file called apache jmeter.jar, which is located in the bin directory of Apache jMeter. Once I double click on this file, the jMeter console will be launched successfully on my machine. So let's wait for jMeter to launch. As you can see, the jMeter window to the console window has been launched successfully. The version can be seen here, Apache jMeter 3.0. So guys, we have successfully installed the jMeter setup and launched the application window in my machine.